Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 225 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the Garmin Connect application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. In the app, tap on More, then scroll down and tap on Garmin Devices. Here you should see the list of devices and on it you should see Forerunner 225. Tap on the watch to open the device page for it. On this page find the More Options icon in top right corner, tap on it and tap on Remove Device. Then tap on Remove, tap on Settings, it will redirect you to the settings in your iPhone. Here go back to the main page of settings, find the Bluetooth option and right here you might see the watch on the list. It's not here, but it could be here. If it is here, tap on the info icon next to it and tap on forget this device and tap on forget device to remove it. And once you're done, you can close the settings and the app. And that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.